Most people think of detectives using clues like fingerprints or DNA to solve crimes, but did you know math plays a critical role in solving mysteries? From blood spatter patterns to figuring out where a suspect was standing, math is everywhere at a crime scene. Let's break down how math helps real-life crime scene investigators crack the case. You'll never look at equations the same again. When blood hits a surface, it forms a distinctive shape. And those shapes? They tell a story. Forensic analysts use trigonometry to determine the angle of impact. Here's how it works. Let's say a bloodstain is 3 mm wide and 6 mm long. Angle equal sign arcsin, 3/6, equal sign 30 degrees. That means the blood hit the surface at a 30-degree angle. This helps experts figure out the point of origin of the blood, where the victim or suspect was standing when the injury happened. Math is also essential in ballistics, the study of bullets and firearms. Using geometry and physics, investigators calculate a bullet's trajectory. Using angles and distances between holes in walls or objects, you can trace a bullet's path back to the shooter's location. In a courtroom, this evidence can prove whether a suspect could have fired a shot based on their position. Every crime scene is mapped out with precise measurements. Investigators use coordinate geometry to document where objects, bodies, or evidence were found. A grid system is used. Each item is recorded by its XY position on the scene map. This helps recreate scenes in 3D modeling tools or during court presentations. Want to know how long someone's been dead? Math helps with that too. Coroners use Newton's law of cooling. This formula helps estimate time of death based on how quickly the body is cooling. By measuring body temp and surrounding temp, they solve for T, the time since death. When matching DNA, investigators use probability and statistics to determine how likely it is that two samples came from the same person. A DNA match might say there's a 1 in 1 million chance the sample belongs to anyone else. This math-backed probability makes DNA evidence incredibly powerful in trials, so the next time you watch a crime show or listen to a true crime podcast, remember, math isn't just numbers, it's a detective's secret weapon. From angles to probabilities, algebra to geometry, math helps bring justice. Which math fact surprised you most? Let us know in the comments.